Farheen. I am here presenting a project for Software Project Expo Open Day 21, in which we have made a weather forecasting website. In this project, we have implemented various technologies for the development of website, which include Bootstrap and Node.js, and also used APIs for So the contents that I will be sharing with you regarding this project will be the introduction of team members, technologies and programming languages that I use in this project, and will show you how it's working, and then at the end you will get to see the look of our website. So here are the 4 students of 20 batch in our developers team. Meet Mr. Zamir Ali, who leads this project, a guy who is an expert of cybersecurity and worked as a backend developer in this project. Then we have Mr. Zaid Ahmad, who is no doubt expert in user interface and user experience designing and graphic designing. As he loves the front-end development of websites, he worked as a front-end developer in the project. This is me, Farheen Qazi. I am a graphic designer and worked with the custom graphics and also assisted in the front-end design. Then meet Mr. Shehzad Haider, having great skills in C++ and Java, and here worked as a UI designer and social media manager. So if I talk about technologies used here for the development website are in front end we have used Bootstrap 4 and Bootstrap 5, in back end we have used Node.js, and the APIs that I used are OpenWeather and Google Places, and we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript languages. For the front end development we have used Bootstrap 4 for the framework development and for the additional components in the framework we have used Bootstrap 5. For the backend development we have used Node.js. With the help of Node.js we have made the server side of the website. Then in languages we have used 3 basic languages that are HTML for creating a markup for website, CSS for the layout of the website, and JavaScript to make the web page interactive. Now how it works. As we have used 2 APIs and OpenWeather and Google Places, so it will work as the user starts searching for the location. In the search bar an API is called which is called Google Places, which will show the suggestion for the location according to the search. And as user searches for the desired location, another API is called which is OpenWeather, which will fetch the data of the search location. With the help of OpenWeather, we have added the features of weather forecasting webs of upcoming 4 days. If you want to get in touch with these weather updates, you can also follow these pages. So this is how our website looks like. You will get to see different themes in different time zones. There are 2 pages on this website. One is the home page and another one is the about us page, where you can see the info about the developer team and website as well. So here on the home page we have a search bar, and as I searches for the location, an event is called that is Google Places API, which I have told you earlier that will provide search suggestion. As I type J, it is providing me search suggestion for the location whose name starts from J. So as I searches for the location, the event is called which is OpenWeather API, which is fetching the data for the search location and showing the result here below in the home page. As we have used OpenWeather API, you can also get to know about the forecasting of upcoming 4 days as well. So as we have a look at our about us page, first you will get to see the information of the website, and as you will click on the See Developers, you will get to see the information of the developers team. If you want to see the additional information of the developers, you can just click here. Here our Facebook and Instagram pages are also mentioned. This is a quick look of the API that we have used for fetching the data. Our website have multiple background themes which change with the time of the day. Early morning, morning, afternoon, evening, night. This is the GitHub repository of Veda through which we have shared and connected our work. This is the code that is used in the front end using HTML and CSS. And this is the code that is used in backend where APIs are implied.